In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. This integration is important because it allows Klaviyo to pull in your store events and customer activity so you can send more relevant email and SMS campaigns based on what is actually happening in your Shopify store. To begin, log in to Klaviyo. Make sure you are using the account that will manage your marketing and not a separate account that you will not use later. Once you are logged in, you will see your Klaviyo dashboard. From there, you will navigate to the integrations area, since that is where Klaviyo connects with other platforms like Shopify. Next, click Integrations. Take a moment to look across the page, because this section typically lists existing connections and provides options to add new ones. After you open Integrations, click Explore Apps. This is the area where you can browse supported tools and find the right integration for your store. When the Apps Explorer loads, search for and select Shopify. As you type, you should see the Shopify option appear in the results. Select it so that you are taken to the correct Shopify integration page. This step matters because it ensures you install the integration that matches Shopify rather than a similar commerce or store app. Now click Install. You are effectively telling Klaviyo to set up the Shopify connection. After you click Install, you will be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Use the correct format for your store, such as your store.myshopify.com. Be careful to type it exactly as it appears in Shopify. An accurate URL helps Klaviyo connect to the correct Shopify account. Once you have entered the store URL, click Connect to Shopify. At this point, Klaviyo will attempt to initiate a connection request to Shopify. If you are prompted, log into your Shopify admin. This is normal because Shopify needs to confirm that you have permission to connect apps and manage settings. After you log in, review the requested permissions and then click Install App. Take a moment here to read what Shopify is asking for. The goal is to make sure you understand that the app can access the data it needs to track events and sync information. When you confirm, Shopify will complete the installation, and Klaviyo will receive authorization to communicate with your store. Now return to Klaviyo and wait for the initial sync to complete. This part can take a little time depending on how much data needs to be pulled from Shopify. During the sync, it is best not to close the page or interrupt the process. Watching for completion is important because the integration may not show as fully connected until the first synchronization finishes. After the sync is done, you will verify everything inside Klaviyo. To do this, go back to the integration section and find Shopify. Click Integrations, then Shopify, and confirm that the status shows connected. This status check is the final step that reassures you the setup is complete and actively working. If the status does not show connected right away, give it a little more time and refresh your view once. But in most cases, once the initial sync is finished, the connected status appears clearly, and that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.